Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and I have been struggling with acrylic pouring. I've painted on this canvas twice now and not getting the results that I'm after. So I've been trying to do pearl pours, and this is my pearl pour mix and I still have a bit left. It's been gobbling up my my paints, and the second one I had a bit of like scrapings that had some satin enamels in it that was kind of this colour here, and I didn't like the way those pearls came out. So because I don't think I've got a huge amount left, I'm going to pour not as much of the pearl paint and try and get some big blocks of colour. I'm still expecting it to eat up quite a bit, but so long as I've got some big nice blocky bits in there, I'll be happy. Now I'll quickly go through the colours. We've got turquoise, cobalt hue, bright green mixed with a little bit of Reeves pearlized green, some Amsterdam gold, some copper, some Payne's grey mixed with white, some Prussian blue phthalo, and some King's blue. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit of this on first, but I'm not, because I want to get an idea of how much I've got left. And I was kind of thinking maybe like up in this corner, and then maybe a big block down here, and a bit down here. I've still got a bit left there, which is good. I'm now going to put down some of my dark colours. I'm just trying to get a general idea of how I want to compose this. This one seems a little bit thicker than that. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. You know when it doesn't come out, when you go to pour it and it doesn't move as quick as you're expecting, you might need a little bit more water. This one seems extra runny. Now with this turquoise, when I did the last pour, there was some of this green over the top of that, and it looked very pretty. So, because I don't want to use too much of this green, but I do want to put some over there. Oh, that's not what I wanted. We can fix it. I am going to play around with the colours a bit. Let's put a little bit of the copper through. And gold. Certainly looking interesting. Wow. I'm actually really liking this. I think we're going to tilt because I don't have I got enough paint? I'm just making sure. Alright. Let's have a go at tilting. I'm going to go this way first because I want to try and get the block through here. Now what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to touch that up with white paint. Now I'm loving the colours. I'm hoping this big block will stay, even this. Now I'm surprised nothing much is happening here yet. Just adding a few bells. Tricky. I know I want to stretch this. I feel like there's colour under there. Definitely colour under there, which might show up a bit more when it dries. There's a bit of a shade. So a lot of white negative space here, but I don't want to stretch it now, because I'm just going to stretch these cells, all of them. I've only got a small amount of gold, got a bit of copper. The green's really standing out. Got lots of cells through here. I think I'm just going to leave it. I think I'm going to let it speak for itself. I think these will open up a little bit more. I'm hoping that this dries darker, because we've got some nice colour through here, and here. And if that dries darker and here, I think it'll be good. I know we've got this really dark piece through here and here, but I'm hoping the colour will come out here and here. Alright, I'll stop there, bring you back in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. It has actually started to dry a little bit on the edge. Now, there's some really pretty stuff through here. I like this. Now, I don't know if you recall, I said I don't want too much green in it. Well, guess what? I got a lot of green in it. But this is a pearlized green. I don't know if you can see the shine on this yet. But yeah, it could turn out quite pretty. This through here is quite pretty. And we've got some turquoise pearls up in the corner there. I like all the different colours through here. And we've got some cells and then some pearls. And this actually through here is quite pretty too. Now I am hoping, I like the couple of little pearls in there too. I'm hoping that, and you can see that this has started to dry just here. I'm hoping that the colour through here is going to come out a bit brighter, and I think it is starting to already, and through here that the blues will come out a bit through there, and I think that will finish it off quite nicely. So I'll bring it back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and I'm not too sure about the composition with this one, so I'll show you the 4 different angles and you can tell me what you like. So we'll call this one A, B, C, and D. All right, I'll take you in for a closer look. Now we've got some beautiful pearls down here, and the softness of the paint through there. So it did dry a little bit darker. Through here we've got lots of little cells through the blue and the gold, and then down we've got all the colours here, and then we've got some turquoise through here, and I love this strip of turquoise going through here. I seem to have a lot of pinholes. Now I did blow multiple times with the torch, but so I'm not really sure if that was bubbles, but I love this through here. This is probably my favorite section. We've got this, and then the softness with the few pearls through there. I really like that section. And then down here you've got the flow of green still going, and then this is where I did a swipe of the colors and it came out with these, which looks really cool. And you can see a little bit of the shine from the pearl, maybe a little bit more through there. Definitely through those cells there, there's a little bit, but it's not super shiny. But yeah, so that's that one. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Even though there's lots of small parts of this that I really like, as a whole I'm just not sure about it. So love to hear what you think in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.